Rito tayo manginginay sa Whipple and Hayward. Yan. Pag nawalan ng control ang sasakyan, malas mo. Busog ka naman.
Patay ka agad.
Yan.
Dapat malapit ka dito sa may poste. Ito, hindi nila kaya tipa rito.
Lining up. Ano na naman pila?
Ayun ang port, ano?
Ayun ang port yan. Ito yan sa ilalim ng target na sign. Ako po, naubusan pa yata ng gas. May reserva pala. Can I get quesadilla?
Quesadilla meat?
Yeah, chop, pastor and steak.
Mix?
Yeah, mix. Usually tell you what you want. To tell that guy. Wow, that's a big potato.
That's good.
Can you make it triple meat? This one? The steak and the pastor and that one. Quesadilla.
That one. Tommy, tripe, brisket.
This one.
Yes.
The other one.
This
Yeah. Yeah, interesting, yeah. Triple meat, okay?
Quesadilla?
Yeah, quesadilla. Pastor, steak. And one on one order. On one order. Mix. Yeah. Yeah, 3 meat. Huh? Yes.
That's together? Or separate?
Together.
Together.
What did you order?
I'm gonna order what is that? Tortilla. Ooh, look at that.
Yeah, that's it.
Something like that too. Yeah. Oh, that's too big. Same thing like that. Triple meat.
Triple meat. Same. One more. Sir. Everything. Ayan yung ating in-order. Hindi na, nakagawa na yun, no? Ayan yung order natin. Thank you, boss. To go.
Dapat malaki kami.
No, two quesadilla, triple meat. Yeah.
Ano ba masarap?
Ito, maanghang ito. Sa akin ito, kumuha ito. Ito, masarap to.
Yeah.
Tsaka lemon. Yung kanilang ano, balde-balde. Wow. Kami manginginay rito sa likod ng sasakyan. Sa parkingan. It's cold in here, man. I think Uncle cannot finish this. The guy is mad, man. Can you attack this?
See.